Matt. Just wait. He's gonna turn. Crap. Just wait. I'd shoot him right in the chest.